The main reason I bought this magnificent tripod is to be able to show it off in my videos. Makes me very professional. Adventure, dare I say. Ciao, it's me, Andrea, your favorite Italian photographer and pro adventurer, clearly, because I have a tripod and I'm not afraid to put it on my shoulder. And today I am with a friend of mine. Ta-da!
Hello everyone!
Francesco. And we try to dispel a myth. Any pro landscape photographer have to use a tripod, possibly a big tripod. The bigger you have, the... well, you understood. If I have to be honest, I don't like tripods because they are heavy, big and bulky. And if you are a photographer, as I am, and you like stormy days, your tripod could become a lightning rod. Not really a comfortable situation. But don't get me wrong, tripods are super useful if you have to keep your camera still for a while, seconds or hours. There are a lot of situations in landscape photography that needs tripod. Motion blur, long exposure, blending, or night photography, or stitching. But if you search for images on the web in 2019, landscape images, apparently there are only long exposure or blending or stitching or night photography. I totally disagree with this vision because for me these techniques are super useful in some cases, but from here to say that landscape photography it's only long exposure or blending, nah. Anyway, I shot 2 or 3 images of Francesco some minutes ago without using any tripod, and I think they are quite good. I look back to my past images and I discover a singular fact. Images I love the most were all shot handheld. Let me explain why. One of my favorite shots is a person that climbed down from the top of the Mount Cimini, where I am now. I took these pictures at the end of a shooting day while I was getting into the car. I rushed it out and I shot handheld. Or the picture of the moon I took during the last episode, where I have one camera on a tripod and the other in my hand, and I decided to turn myself in the opposite direction, searching for something more interesting, and I found it, luckily. For me, photography is capturing something unusual, something that cannot happen again in future. So tripods slow me down tremendously. And clearly I have no idea how to carry a tripod, as you can see. I said tripods are sometimes unnecessary, and I mentioned long exposure, but let me show you something. Handheld, handheld, handheld. If you had a camera with a good IBIS, a lens with a good stabilization, and it's not night, and you are not in a deep forest, and there are no solar eclipse in progress, and Saturn is aligned with Jupiter, you can have a long exposure without any difficulties. He climbed up there without any kind of consciousness. Yeah. Okay. Today we will die here. Yeah, because we decided to stay on the top of the mountain until night and come back with torches in the night. Yeah, it will be funny. tripods are not built for climbing. I have a friend in my hometown. His name is James from Canada. Hi James. And he said to me every time that I shot a video, I'm out of breath. Now I'm thinking of you, James. But I love you, James. Hello.
Hello.
Look at there. Whoa. Love this panorama. Yeah. Yeah, over there is Francesco that looking for birds. He like birds. He have maybe 600 lens on APS-C camera, so it's a sort of an SA lens. It can catch Saturn aligned with Jupiter, as we said before. I definitely lost Francesco because he's on the bottom of the valley over there. I don't know if you can see him. Probably not. Anyway, I found two other companions over there. Yeah, two other guys that wait for the sunset here with us. It's quite good. Found some good people in places like this, because you can have a seat and speak. Now I shoot some picture of these guys. Oh, clearly, without using any tripod. The biggest difficulty, at least for me, is dealing with scene with high dynamic range, because as we said before, in 2019 we have great cameras with great IBIS and lens stabilization, but we still have some problem dealing with scene with high dynamic range. So in these cases I still use tripods. I love capturing details because I'm convinced that in that details hide great stories. If we show whole subject, what we left to imagination. And shooting details, I rarely need tripod. Now it's time to find some juicy composition because it's quite sunset. The sun is... We are here with two new friends.
Ciao.
Ciao.
And we climb down in the night and will be funny. Okay, we say hello to the guys because they have no torches. So quite hard without light in the night. Light in the night. And it's time to come back to Poas. Yes. It's practically night, and night in mountain is not really a good idea if you don't have a tent. So next time, tent. Anyway, thank you for following this video, and I stop here because if I fall down I'll die. I say it. Thank you for following this video, and if you like it, I would be immensely grateful if you sign up to my channel. For you, it's a small gesture, but for me, it's really important because you can help me grow and prepare more videos. But until the next one, bye.